If you've ever considered oil pulling, let this be the thing you start with. This is GuruNanda's Coconut Mint Pulling Oil, and let me tell you why this is the easiest and tastiest way to do it. I've tried oil pulling with straight coconut oil, and it's chunky and thick. This is already liquid. It has a nice mild mint flavor. Mixed with the coconut, you've got kind of like a creamy mint. When I tried GuruNanda for the first time, I don't know why it took me so long to try this, because this is the way. If you're going to do oil pulling, start here and then stay here, because this is just so much easier. Give it a shake. It does come with this handy little cup with different measurements on it, but let me show you how I do this. As you can see, I bypassed the cup because it's cleaner and easier. Swish for anywhere from 2 to 10 minutes. Start out with 2. I find the flavor really nice and enjoyable as opposed to just plain coconut. Brush your teeth after if you desire to do that, and your mouth will be sitting pretty. I hope this was helpful.